I compare the power of fasting to scuba diving. I live in Virginia Beach, and literally, if you stand on the shore and look at the water, all of it is like brown and black. Like, it's just so hard to see anything underneath the surface. But when you dive down deep beneath the surface, everything changes if you have scuba gear on. Now, I've personally never been scuba diving, but I have been snuba diving with an N. Now, you don't go down quite as deep, but snuba diving is a combination of snorkeling and scuba diving. It doesn't require a tank. You can breathe without coming up for air, but you don't have the weight of that heavy equipment. You have like this 20-foot hose that's connected to you, and it allows you to kind of go wherever you want to go. And every time I go scuba diving, I find hidden treasures that I've never been able to see before. There are so many fish and animals and plants that I never even knew about. And I literally feel like the fish whisperer. Like, you see all the different details in the fish and the colors, and it's so bright. And you can literally see all the different crevices on the tropical fish, and you can see the coral reefs and the different kinds of shells. Everything comes alive. And that's what fasting does for you. It does that for your spirit. And your body is hungry when you fast, but your spirit is sharp, and everything comes alive and is in focus.